Viewers, welcome to ICT Tube. Today I'll show how to stop the update setting in your Windows 10. Viewers, to stop your update of your Windows, go to My Computer and press right click, go to Manage option. And it will take to come. Okay, it's already came. And go to Service menu from the left side. Service, and select the Windows Update. Go to, and you can scroll to the downloads. This is the update button, Windows Update. Double click and stop it, and you can disable it. Disable, apply, OK. Now your PC Windows Update is stopped. That's all for Windows Update setting. Thank you very much for watching this video, and the information is, if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for next video. Thank you again.